Lucky. I love mommy. Baba, baba. Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired, Lucky? Oh, sweet ng Lucky, mommy. Relaxing ang Lucky boy. Relaxing. While ang other baby ni mommy is nag-relax din siya. Here. Relaxing next to mommy. Taas mami ang legs kasi pagod yan all day. Yan ang baby ni mommy. Ang sweet ang baby mommy. Eh, ba. Ang sweet the baby Luck is. Ace is a good boy. He stay in his bed. That's Ace's bed right there. A big bed. So that's his bed. And also Lucky have his own bed right here. So that's Lucky. Tag-iisa sila ng bed. One bed for Lucky. Malalaki yung bed nila kasi malaki sila eh. Big boy. Ang sweet ng baby ni mommy. Ay. Ang sweet ng baby Lucky ni mommy. Love talaga yan na. Ha? Super. Ayan siya. Kakatapos lang ni mami nag-dance workout. So, itaas ko yung paa ko. Yung legs ni mami itaas para maka-circulate yung blood. Ang sweet ng baby, super. Natulog na siya. Tignan mo yung tail niya. Ang cute, no? Ang bait talaga. Ang bait. Ang bait. Super. Love ni mami yan. Super love. Is love mommy. Is a good